Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assigning the familiar oxidation states. Oxygen almost always -2, hydrogen +1 with nonmetals, alkali metals +1. Write the molecular formula and mark those known values next to the atoms. Once done, total the assigned numbers and compare to the molecule or ion charge. You do this so fewer unknowns remain and comparison yields a single equation. Make sure to keep track of each atom count. Repeating atoms, multiply their now form the algebraic sum. Multiply each assigned oxidation state by its atom count, add the unknown, S, as variables, and set the total equal to the molecule or ion charge. You solve that linear equation for the unknown oxidation state. For polyatomic ions, include the ion charge on the right-hand side. Once you calculate X, ensure the value fits expected chemical ranges. If not, recheck assignments and atom counts to catch sign errors. Finish by substituting your found oxidation states back into the sum to confirm the total equals the molecule or ion charge. If it doesn't match, recheck signs, atom counts, and whether oxygen or hydrogen were given their typical states. Small sign errors produce wrong answers. If ambiguity persists, consider resonance structures or calculate formal charges to validate your assignment. You'll get consistent results once arithmetic and conventional assignments are correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.